So now I'll show you how to connect internet through a LAN. This is internet via internet, connect through a LAN so that you can use many PCs. So here I connect the internet. Okay, connect the internet here. Clear? So here, check here. Internet, no internet. Yes, internet is there now. Okay, internet is there. Access. Pause. Okay, internet is there now. Is it? So what I'll do is that now, first of all, I'll disconnect the internet. Okay, check here. Disconnect the internet. And check again here. Still internet access. You just wait. It will show internet. It will not access. Okay, no internet. So here. Okay. So what you do is that now I'm going to where is that software? Remote software. You share from the remote. Is there remote software to share? Yeah, I'm going to access here. Okay, I'll go direct to a network. So direct to a network here, and this maybe this is the one. Yes, remote. So I'll copy to a desktop. Yes, that one. This is the one. Sorry. Okay, here. Okay, I'll access from this PC or this network. Okay, from network. This is the one. This is the remote. I'll copy to a desktop. Give read and write. Access permission.
Does IP address already changed?
You already changed the IP address. No problem. If you change the IP address, still the file is there, no? Clear? Still the file is there. Okay. This one you might have not permission, so give me the permission. Desktop, remote. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to. What is the IP address of that one? This one too. Sure. Don't think, man. Make it sure. Sure. Check fast. 192.168.1. What is your IP? The IP address. No space. Number 3 here. Number 3. Enter. Diagnose. Why is the problem? Is that number 3? 191.3. So this is the one. Yes. Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to copy this one to desktop. So here, see, check here, because I already disconnect the internet, so there is no internet. Okay. So now what I'll do is that I'm going to install this Teamviewers. Okay, Teamviewer setup. Then here basic installation, both of the above. Basic installation, both of the above. accept, finish. Do you want to allow this up? Yes. Then copy the crack. This is the crack. Copy, close. Done launch now. Okay, what you'll do is that right click on Teamviewers, open file location. Here right click and paste the crack. Continue. Okay, here paste and continue. Same thing that side also. Same thing. What you have to do is that same thing. Okay, same thing here. Okay, Teamviewers installation. Setup. Copy the crack. Yeah, Teamviewers basic installation, both of the above. Accept and finish. Yes, yes. Right click here, open file location, paste your crack, continue. Done. Yeah, done. So what you have to do is that now you have to allow through a firewall setting. Okay, have to allow from a firewall setting. So same thing here, control panel, then system and security, then window firewall, then allow on apps, then change setting, then here allow another apps. Here browse, desktop, Teamviewer is not there in desktop. We'll check first here. Yes, Teamviewer is there in this desktop. So control panel, system and security, window defender, allow another apps, window defender and firewall. So here what is that one? Teamviewers is there or not? Check first. Teamviewers, yes, it's already there. Is it Teamviewers remote desktop? That one is already there. So here both public and private Teamviewers. You see this one? Then click on OK. Close. So here also check here, and then control panel, then system and security, window defender and firewall, allow an apps here, change setting. Here Teamviewers, we check. Teamviewers is already there, allow both private and public network. Okay, close. Then here I'm going to connect the internet now. Okay, I'm going to use through internet. Maybe you connect from here to Delhi also. Okay, pause that one. Like an internet connection. Okay, so now I'm going to use not from a LAN but from internet connection. Okay, so here now check here, no internet, so you just wait, internet will connect. No internet, so I'll connect properly this one. Okay, now internet access, is it? So what I'll do is that here open Teamviewers. Okay, here this side also, come this side, open Teamviewers. Okay, so here this is the ID, check here, this is the ID. Okay, I'll touch here the ID, check here, touch here the ID. So what is the ID from there? 638 412 460. So I click on remote control, so I click on connect to a partner. Then now it will ask the password. What is the password? 6571. Then click on log on. So this is my PC, this is your PC. Is it clear? Understand? This is the clear. Okay, understand? Clear? So here I'm going to change the remote desktop connection. So change here like settings, like same thing like what you did in that things. I'm going to change that one. Okay, so your one is changed. Okay, so now I'm going to change with different change. Is it? But now it's changed.
So if you connect from here to Northstone,
Yes, working because internet required, no? Clear? Understand? Okay, so you can connect from this one everywhere worldwide. Okay, clear? So this is how to use a Teamviewer, using from here to Knoxton, from here to Gauti, okay, from here to Delhi, America, also using a Teamviewers. Okay, clear? So I'm going to change again this one to a different. So change. Yeah. Okay, I'll change this one to that side. See, I'm going to disconnect now. I'm going to disconnect here. I'm going to disconnect here. I'm going to disconnect. See, your one is changed. Is it? Your one is changed. Clear? Okay, done.